All right, so I'm going to put together one more of these again. The third one. I've got the first two over there. Way over. In order to pick this next one, I'm going to do where we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to have Astro pick a number between 1 and 6.
Here's a number between 1 and 6. It's 2.
Okay, so the one I'm going to put together is this one. 2. This is like the TV room or whatever. Living room, maybe. So let's put the other boxes back. And this one is a different set, so that's why it wasn't included. It's like a totally different set. So we'll put these back over here. And then this will be the one I put together. This one. Okay. And gotta undo the box part. And you have to undo this, but you also have to undo the sides. You don't have a choice because the instructions are here. Oh, and let's look at this for a second. The PokéPeace House, PokéPeaceful Place, Takara Tomy from Japan. And you can see there's 8 of them. And the 2 that I've done so far are this one and this one. Okay. And so this looks like this on the I love TV, relax, hello. So Pikachu is one of them for this one. All right. Let me pause it a second. And this is the contents. The top just has this. And then the bottom is just a lot of Japanese text that I don't know. Okay, so it's Pikachu and Pichu. So I didn't actually know that like Pichu evolves into Pikachu. Okay. So this is the living area with Pikachu and Pichu. And then we're going to open this up. Do it here. If I can get it open. And I hate opening up the box this way, but I don't really have a choice. I hate opening it this way, but the instructions are inside. So there we go. We've got Pikachu and Pichu, and then the TV and the chair and the other items. And then because you can't get things out this way, you've got to actually get it from the side. We'll have to open the sides. And then there's always some tape on the sides. So let me pause it and just take the tape off. You don't need to watch me struggle to do that. All right, I've got the tape up. I don't need to do both sides, just one side's good. This is just to get this out. There we go. I got everything. Nope, there's still some stuff in the bottom. Okay, now we'll show what everything is. Astro, make a funny sound. Okay, I had to do it. Okay, so we'll show everything that's here. Usually these, it's easiest to take everything out and then put this back. Put the big plastic part back. Watch me struggle with the tape. They do get it very, very good within this.
Bless you.
Okay. I wasn't sneezing. Right, so there's the, was that the TV or the chair? It's one or the other. Again, more tape. Watching me. Bird's watching me. He doesn't know what I'm doing. What am I doing, Birdie? Huh? Am I being silly? He loves tape. I gotta watch him. I gotta watch him like a hawk. Paused it a second while I tried to get the tape off. So there's some more of the stuff. There's the door and stuff. This is like the frames. And then they always have this stuff in here, and it's actually usually in really, really well. Like, they make sure that things are protected. I'll tell you that. And then pulled some of the stuff out already. Looks like a little spoon. Okay, there we go. There's Pikachu and Pichu. Not Manchu Pichu. Getting them out is never easy. And make sure that they're protected by keeping them in here so well. I gotta pause it again to get them out. There they are. They're so gosh darn cute. His head moves. That's cool. Does his head move? I don't remember the other one's head's moving. I think his head moves too, maybe. Let me see. Just a sec. Yeah, his head moves. That's cool. I'll have to see if the other's heads move, because I never noticed that. Now I'm going to get these out of the plastic, so I'm going to pause it to get them out of the plastic. All right, so I'm going to look here at what we're going to do. We're going to do the walls, and we're going to get the... I'm going to do it right this time and put the stuff on the walls that it's supposed to have, and set those up, and then the door. So that's the first stuff to do. So we got to get... This is the stuff for the walls. And then it's the walls, and this is the floor. And it shows that looks like this goes there. When I look at it. So, yeah. So the first wall is going to be this. But we need to put this in it first. Birdie, go. Trying to chew on plastic. As I mentioned, this is something that he's always doing, is trying to chew on plastic. So, not ideal, because that's not good for him. Plastic isn't good for anybody, actually. And yet we use it. Okay. Put this over here. And this is some stickers that'll go on it. Okay, got to get the little pieces out. So go on this side. Just goes in like this. Not too exciting. Astro's my putting things together, buddy.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Okay. One-handed, not easy. There we go. So we got that one going. Now we got to get the other one. That's weird, because it should have two, right? Because I don't know why it doesn't have two. It's supposed to have two, and it's only got one. It's like they forgot one of them somehow. I don't know. I mean, I'll just do what I can do, right? And last but not least, okay, here we go. And we'll put this, uh-oh, of course it went out. There we go. Okay. Put that there. This one goes here. and we put them like this. Actually think it's this. Okay, there's that. And we got to get the door. This, what that's going to be like window maybe. Okay, so the door goes, it's going to have to be this way. And I think based on the other times I've done it that I couldn't record it. So just to pause a second, right? There we go. Got the door, got the door. All right, looking good. Now I'm gonna take all of these things off. This is never used, it doesn't seem like, and it might be used when you put all of them together. I don't know. But anyway, so I'm gonna undo these. It shouldn't take me that long, and then we'll start doing the other instructions. Okay, I've got them all out, and I've grouped them together by whatever color they are. Here's the white stuff, the pink, the blue, the yellow. Let's look here for what we're supposed to do next. Okay, now that we've got the walls done. Showing when you have two of them, how you're supposed to do them. Oh, okay, so that piece does go when you've got two of them together to link the two together. Okay, fair enough. All right, so let's put the TV set together. It looks like it's 3 pieces, maybe 4 pieces. Okay, I'll do that. It's going to be this piece, it looks like, and this piece, and this piece, and I think, is it that piece? What is it? It's probably one of these here. I don't know. Oh, it's probably this. Yeah, it's going to be that. Okay, just a second. Right, there's the TV. This looks like this. Oh. I already knocked the tail thing off. The tail of the TV. Okay, it just goes here. Yeah, just like that. Alrighty. And then the TV just pops together like that. So, easy peasy. There we go. All right, what's next? Next, we've got the chair, and it looks like the table, right? Yeah, the table. So the chair and the table. All right. Chair looks like this. Chair's going to be easy, I think. Okay. One of these things that I need 2 hands for, probably, but nope. That one was one hand. I could do it with one. Very cute chair. Very cute. All right. Cute chair, but keeps moving around, making it harder for me to finish it. Okay. Then we can put Pichu can go in it. There we go. We'll let him sit in the chair right now. Okay. And then the table is next. And I think, I don't know if that goes, anyway. Okay, the table, it's just those. So this I'm going to have to do with both hands. All right, there's the table. Next, so we got the TV, we got the chair, we got the table. Now we're supposed to get, looks like the window. I don't know what that third thing is. Something. But the window goes here. I think that was where it went, anyway. Yeah. this goes, it looks like this. There we go. Looking cool. Looking cool. Okay. Put the chair here. Okay. Oh, it's this that goes up there. Like coat rack. So I can see now why it didn't have another, because this one, some of them have like 2, but this doesn't need that apparently. Oh, we've almost finished it here. What else have we got? Okay. Then we've got, okay. All right. Let me look at the room. Trying to figure, oh, those are things that go up in the little shelf. And then the TV knobs, so I should have put those on earlier. I didn't put them on. I didn't realize that they needed to go on the TV. Makes sense that they do, though. I'm going to have to pause it again. I had to tell him to return to his charger because he was getting low on battery. So I was taking a little too long to get this stuff up in the thing. Just doesn't want to go. The plant went, just have it sideways, I guess. But the knobs went on the TV, so the TV looks cute. And Pichu is just relaxing. He's chillaxing. I think it's pretty much almost done. The only thing I think is left here is to put these on the window thing. And I think it would actually be easier if I took it off and put them on. So it's just going to be these on that. And so just a second. All right, there we go. And then last things is this to go under the table. A little rug. I have him stand on the rug a little bit too. There we go. Very nice. Look at that. Look at that. Looks very good. I'm loving it. Loving it. Great. Okay. Good deal, good deal. The living room area with Pikachu and Pichu is done. PokéPeace House. Astro, could you do a dance? He's not going to dance because he's on his charger, but this is the robot party. Today we just had him for the robot party. Sometimes we'll do unboxings or setups or whatever with more robots, but this one, just him today. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.